people. I hope you are always in good health and happiness. Let's pray together, because now we in pandemic period caused by COVID-19 virus can quickly pass, so we can all do our usual activities again. Don't forget, use your mask. Don't go out home. Keep spirit and still be grateful. Well, welcome to the math learning videos. On this occasion, I will provide material about set, relation, and function. Before we discuss the material further, I will introduce myself first. My name is Kadek Krisna Dharmawan, with student number ID is 1913011040. Well, now we will discuss about the material. In everyday life, we can find a connection between set, relation, and function. For example, one example of function. In a family, who are the father, mother, and a sister? I look, you are still confused. That's right? Okay, I will give you an overview for this example. So look this picture, okay? Have you understand for this example about the function? I think you can understand. Good. Well, for the next example is example of relation. Suppose that in a class, some students like reading, some students like cooking, and some students like sport. Are you still confused? Okay, I will give you an overview. Let's look the picture. And last, I will give an example of sets. I will give you an example. In a class, 4 students like volleyball, and 6 students like basketball, and 3 students like volleyball and basketball. Do you guys? Are you already know that? Regarding sets, relation, and function in our daily life. And now, I will explain about the meaning sets, relation, and a function. First, I will explain meaning of relation. A relation can be defined as a relationship. The relation refers to here a relation between the region of origin or domain, and the friendly area is codomain. You can look the picture. The left oval have a member 1, 2, 3, 4. We can call that is domain. And the right oval have a member A, B, C, D. We can call that is codomain. Meanwhile, now I will explain the meaning of a function. And a function is a relation that pairs each member of the association of the area and origin exactly one to the association its friend, region, and it pair singly. And I will give you overviews the picture about the function. In the left, oval have a member 1, 2, 3, 4 is domain. In the right oval have a member A, B, C, D is codomain. A function have a characteristic because domain just have one, a relation to the codomain. Okay, can you understand about meaning, a relation, and a function? Good. I look you can understand about that. And then I will explain the meaning of sets. A set is a collection of objects that have clearly defined nature, or more clearly, are a collection of certain objects that are considered as one unit. Excuse me, sir. I want to ask, what is similar and the difference between a relation and a function? Thank you, sir. Okay, good job. That's a good question. Thanks for a question. Okay, I will explain about the similar and the difference of relation and function. On this picture, we can see similar and different relation and function. First, about a similar. We have a from one set to another, and the difference of relation and function is can be seen from the couple from the area of origin. A relation is each member of the set in the area of origin may have more than one partner or may not have a partner. Whereas in a function, each member in the set of region of origin is paired with a special rule, namely that the domain can only be paired once on the codomain. Got there? Do you understand? Yes, sir. I understand about that. Thank you for your explaining, and I can give a conclude. In my opinion, a function is definitely a relation, but a relation is not necessarily a function. Just that I can give a conclude. Thank you for your change, sir. Hey, good. I'm proud of you. That's a very good conclusion. And now I will give you an example of sets. Sets have various types, such as infinite sets and finite sets. I will give you example of sets. First example, I will give you a infinite sets. Real number more than 100. I will suppose this sentence with set A. In set A, we have a 100, 101, 102, and etc. In this longitudinal, point means that the set is infinite. And second example, I will give you finite sets. Prime number less than 15. And I will suppose this sentence with set B. In set B, we have number, prime number less than 15 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. In the set or set B is a infinite set because in set B is finite. In third example, I will give you a non-set or not a set. Collection of rich people in Indonesia. A collection of rich people in Indonesia, the sentence is said to be not included in the set because it is unclear and not specific. And then in rich people have mean a relative in a class there are 36 students. They were asked to choose two types of sport they enjoyed doing. It turned out that 20 students like to play basketball and 17 students like to play karate and 6 students did not like these two sports. And you will draw a Venn diagram of description and determine the number of students who enjoy playing basketball and karate. The Venn diagram image from the information can be obtained if the number of students who like to play basketball and karate is known. Then look for the number of students who like to play basketball and karate in advance as follows. In this example, we can get the point. The first point is the student likes to play basketball. We can call value A is 20. And second point, we can get the student who likes play karate. We can call value B is 17. And then third point. Third point is all of the value in set or total value in set, we can call the value S is 36 students. And the last point is student did not like these two sports. We can call value X is 6 students. First step is we can find the value of intersection sets of A and B. Formula intersection set of A and B is value A plus value B minus value S minus value X. And then value intersection set A and B is 20 plus 17 minus 36 minus 6 is, we can find the result is 7. So we can get the value intersection of set A and B is 7. And then we can get the value of student choose the basketball. The formula is value A minus the value intersection set of A and B is 20 minus 7, and we got the result is 13 students. And then we can find the value of student choose the karate. The formula is value B minus the value intersection of set A and B is 17 minus 7, and the result is 7 students. And then we can graph the diagram file. The following is Venn diagram of the solution above. We can graph the set of A. The value set of A is 13, and value set of B is 10 students, and the intersection of set A and B is 7, and the student did not like this two sport is 6 students. If you initial up the all existing aspect, it will be 36, like this. 13 plus 7 plus 10 plus 6. The totality